Try to learn as much as you can. Everything that you see on your chart in TradingView means something. How I would learn to trade the Forex market if I can start over. And trust me, I've been there, I felt the struggle, but now I'm here. I'm pretty sure you want one of these, or one of these, or one of these, or one of these, and I've got many more to show. But before you reach that level, you have to focus on many things. If I can start over and relive the whole journey, I would redo it every time you ask me. The main struggle here is that everybody is trying to make it very fast. You want the overnight success. This is not gonna work out. So today, in this video, I would show you exactly what I would do if I can start over. First thing is going to be to focus on the absolute basics. You're diving into the markets and you don't know anything, and you straight up want to make an account, deposit money into a broker and start trading and make money. That's not how it works. You have to focus fully on the exact basic at the beginning. The first thing is, when you hop on TradingView or anywhere where you watch the chart, I would definitely recommend TradingView for that, is you have to have a very clean chart. Don't fill up with these bullshit indicators. You don't know anything about the market and you put on 50 indicators that you don't know nothing about, and they're just overcrowding the chart and you don't see anything. That is the first thing. Then try to learn the simplest market structure, break-in, retest. You have to learn these area of interest where there is a possibility for the opposite direction. You have to learn these breakout and retest levels before you even start trading. This is the most simple thing you can do. You can go on YouTube, try to learn it as quick as possible, but first you need to know where the market is headed, and this is the simplest thing. Then you can move forward to learning the exact lot sizes. If you didn't know that, in Forex trading we don't use actual money to trade. In general it is actual money, but in order for you to, when you entering the trade, you use lot sizes. You have to learn exactly what lot sizes are. You have to learn how to use them. And when you know that, there is many calculators online that do that for you. For example, my FX book, very easy to use. You can put the dollar amount that you want to risk, you put the pips that you want your stop loss to be, and it calculates it for you. This is the second most important thing. Don't put risk on the side. It is the most important thing to not over leverage your account. It is crucial for you to survive in the markets. Now, let's say you've learned market structure a little bit, you've cleaned out your chart, you know how to follow trends, and most importantly, you've learned to risk manage your account. What is the next step? The next step is going to be to focus on 2 or 3 pairs maximum. You don't need more than that. The only thing you can do from now on is just focus on 2 or 3 currency pair maximum, because the only thing you're gonna do is if you trade more pairs, or if you look into more pairs looking for opportunities, you are going to do yourself wrong, because it is much harder for you to follow, let's say, 10 or 15 pairs than only to try to get used to 2 or 3 pairs. Try to learn how they move, how they move during certain scenarios where you have news or you don't have news, during New York session or you have London session in the morning. You have to follow these only. Don't trade into Asian session, don't trade into Sydney session. You're gonna do yourself wrong. Try and focus only on 2 or 3 pairs. Follow a trade only during London or New York session, because you are going to make your whole life hell if you don't do that. Now that you've got the little basics, so you know a little bit of a market structure, you know how the trends move, you've followed your pairs for quite a while now that you want to focus on, that you like. You have also learned to risk manage your account, you have learned to calculate the risk for every position, and you've learned where to put your stop loss and your take profit. It is the perfect scenario for you to start journaling your trades. It is crucial for you to journal your trades for at least 50 to 100 trades. I don't know how much that is going to take you, maybe a month or two, but if you do that, you take a picture, a screenshot, whatever you want of the trade before you enter it, you type a reason why you're entering the trade, and you follow the results. No matter if it's a win or a loss, you have to journal the trade, because this is going to improve you and help your psychology. That is also very important for your trading journey. You are also going to improve because you can remember why you entered, what happened. You were watching also, you were following it up when you were on the computer. You follow up what is going on with the trade. So it is very important for you to journal. Don't forget to journal your trades. After you have journaled for quite a while, now you've got a basic perspective of what is working, what was not working, what needs improvement, how did you feel during that time. It is the perfect moment for you to reflect. Now you've been 1 to 3 months in your journey, and it is perfect for you, the perfect time for you to reflect upon what happened and what is to follow. If you made money, don't confidence boost yourself that you're profitable or that life, don't lose your job, don't quit your job just because you made a little bit of money. Don't do that. Try to redo that thing again. But if you're losing, you can reflect even better. It is better for you to lose at the beginning than to win, because it gives you the wrong idea. It's not how it works. And I'm 100% sure that you cannot be profitable in 2 and 3 months. You need a lot more time than that. It took me 2.5 years before I even break even. And I'm not telling you that just because it took me 2.5 years, it's going to take you 2.5 years. But I'm 100% telling you, you cannot be profitable in 2 or 3 months. You don't have that much experience into the market for you to become profitable in 2 or 3 months. So even, let's say you start losing money, which is the better option for you at the beginning. That's how you're going to learn much quicker if you lose, because you're going to learn from your mistakes. That doesn't mean your strategy is wrong. Don't start strategy hopping and looking for the next thing immediately. Yes, it might be not the perfect thing for you to stick to only one thing at the beginning, but your strategy needs a lot more time to prove itself. What I'm trying to say here is that your strategy can actually be profitable. You can actually be profitable, but your psychology and your mind is not allowing you to be profitable. So it can be the situation of the strategy is actually profitable, but my execution is shit. So try and give it more time. Try to adjust certain things, and that's when it's gonna hit. Just give it time, focus on improving, learn everything that you see on the chart. Try to learn what it means, from the candlesticks, from market structure, from rejection patterns to certain liquidity zones. Then you move forward to learning the fundamental part, which is the news and economical status of the world right now. That is going to directly impact specific currency pairs that you are probably trading, and just focus on improving day by day. Don't forget, just keep moving forward. Try to learn as much as you can. Everything that you see on your chart in TradingView means something. There is nothing in that website that does not mean anything. You have to learn the breakout patterns to follow the trend. You have to learn what each candlestick means. You have to learn to perfect your take profit and stop loss. You have to also perfect your risk management. You have to work on your psychology. There is so many videos online that can help you with that. But just remember, my channel is going to be here. I'm trying to upload as many videos as possible, and I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace out.